Okay.
We're live.
Oh, moment. 1 second. Oh, we're live. All right. So, if a large snowplow is moving at 3.86, we'll get there. Yeah. A large snowplow is moving at 3.86 meters per second, and the mass is 14,010 kilograms. Over a time frame of 0.18 seconds, the plow is moving at 5.27 meters per second. The area of the blade is 24.30 meters squared. What is the pressure on the snowbank, and what is the momentum of the plow on the snowbank? So what are we looking for? Pressure and momentum. Pressure, momentum. What do we know? What's that? Mass. All right. Yeah, absolutely. Mass equals 14,010 kilograms. 10 kg. What else do we know? Initial velocity, sure. Which one? This one, you say? Okay. Which would make the other one what? Yeah. And then we also know two more things. Time and area. Yep. .3. All right, let's go for pressure first. So how do I do that? It sure is. Good catch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
P.
And one was momentum, the other was pressure.
Yep.
The line over one of them.
Oh, do you? Okay, we'll do pressure then.
Yep.
All right. Yeah, good catch. All right. Let's find pressure then. Where do we start? What do we need to know to get pressure done? Force and area. Yep. And how do you get force? Mass times acceleration. So therefore we'll need what variable? Acceleration. Which is how do we find acceleration? So it's going to be oops, 8.6. Where's my time? There we go. All right. Has someone done that yet? 7.83. Do other people agree? 7.83. All right, just making sure. All right, so here, I'll do it quickly so we can. Oh, everybody got that?
Yeah, we're talking about the moment.
Oh, sure. Oh, sure. 7.83 meters per second squared. Fantastic. Done and done. So now we're going to try to find what? Force. Yep. So force equals mass times acceleration, which equals mass. Oh yeah, 14010 point mass kg multiplied by meters per second gives us what? Somebody said it maybe. What'd everybody get? Okay. That's what I also got, and that's in newtons. 109,698.3 newtons. And then once last up to find pressure.
What is your equation for acceleration?
5.27 minus 3.86 divided by 0.8.
Yep. Did I write it backwards on the board?
No, you
Okay,
no,
all right.
you just had something.
Okay, that's all right. All right, let's find pressure. Finish this one off. All right.
Yeah. When I do that, I get negative. Wait. What did you get for an answer for step label?
For what?
Or what did you get for momentum?
Momentum, I got 738.32.
Oh, I got that. What did you get for pressure?
I haven't got that yet. I'm almost there.
What did you get?
Somebody got a negative for their force?
No, I got a negative for my acceleration.
Oh, sure. That's all right. Okay, so what does this equal? What's the pressure?
4.514.
Say it again, louder.
4.514.
Okay. What units do we use for pressure? Pascals? Pascals, all right. So now we know our pressure. Let's do the second half of this equation. So what's the formula for momentum? Mass times velocity, all right. So let's find that, I guess. So P equals mass times velocity, which equals
14,010 times
oops.
5.27. And that equals 738.3273.
738.3.
32.7.
What's the units for momentum? Cool? Everybody follow along? If you got a negative with your acceleration, other than Anya, maybe just the calculator, you might have put VI in front and subtracted 3.86 minus 5.27, which would give you a negative around 2-ish. So that might be it. It might be a different situation with you, but that's a common mistake. Anything else? We're good? Everybody good here? All right. Awesome. Do you want this stopped, or are you going to keep going? All right.
For just a moment. Okay, remember, 2 parts. What's part 1 tomorrow? Vocabulary and just general questions about what we covered in the chat. Part 2 then is what? Equations, story problems. Okay, so that's what you have coming up in the next couple of days. All right, so can we shut this off? Okay. Anything else? Oh, how soon we forget.
Ooh, nice.
We want bonus questions? It's free points.
So we did that on the second test?
Who wants free points? Oh, nobody. Oh, I guess nobody
Weird.
does.
Do you want the?
You can just set it down.
All right.
Here. It should be able to pick up everything that we need. Let's just say your exam's worth 60 points. Okay? Each question, 2 points apiece, okay? You missed 2 questions. That means that's 4 off, right? So then, but you have 6 points of bonus questions or bonus points coming your way. It gets capped at 60, okay? You don't receive a 62 out of 60. Does that make sense? You get your points, but you don't go above the cap. Now, let's say you miss a couple points on your next exam. Well, that carries over onto part 2. So you don't lose those extra points. It's just capped at 100%, okay? Now, maybe that's odd. Maybe we don't agree with that, but hey, we're giving you that opportunity, okay? So that's just how we do things in here. Now, other staff members, if you're awarded over 100%, well then, yeah, that's fine, but that's not how we do things in here. Whether that's right or that's wrong, you can always open that up for a debate, but that's our policy in here. Okay, so moving forward is actually on this day. It was a specific type of camera invented by okay. I guess that's actually a question. Okay. Oh boy, I'm going to butcher this, Mr. Wagner. I just know I am. That's also a question. Okay, so if you don't have a signature, yes, you can still turn it in. Okay, so what this, I believe, it's Rosalind Carter. Okay, what was her specific title? I mean, if you type in or ask anybody who was Rosalind Carter, there's only one. Oh, I'm sure there's multiple Rosalind Carters, but as far as what is happening this last 2 weeks, Rosalind Carter has a very specific title, okay? And then in the other one, Edward Land invented a type of camera 75 years ago today. What type of camera was it? I don't know. We know the second one. Kind of shows my age. My age. Okay. So, all right. We have a little under 15 minutes. It's your opportunity to ask anything you feel is relevant for yourself. Otherwise, that is all I have. Please take advantage of these. And yes, this has to be turned in tomorrow. It can't be yes. It's not one of those aspects, sorry, I forgot it at home. Well, then it's just part of responsibility. Well, I probably do, yeah. Okay. All right, so if there's nothing else, no signature, it's okay to turn it in, but it has to be done tomorrow, okay? Parents, 2 points, staff members, 1 point. And no, we don't count. You don't count, Mr. Wagner, you don't count. Yeah. All right, so we'll catch up to you next time.